Hello, James. Okay na yan. Rolling yan. Rolling yan.
Rolling na, sir.
Hello, James. Congratulations on your graduation. Hope to see you in the NFL someday.
Wow, ah.
Hello, James. Ito Toto, James. Congrats for your graduation and good luck for your college
Live.
life. Yeah. Good luck, good luck. Hello,
Okay.
Hello, James. Congratulations. And hope to see you soon.
Hoy!
Bakasyon ka naman. With your mom and sister and dad.
Okay.
Hi, Kuya James. Congratulations. Good luck on your next journey.
Hi James, happy graduation. Congrats. Take care and see you soon.
Hi, Kuya
James.
Hello.
Hello.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Although we're not there, we share in the excitement of your upcoming graduation day. Congratulations also to the proud parents, Ate Nanette and Sheldon.
Hello, Kuya James. Thank you for sending the diary and ticket books, and I hope you have a great time on your next God bless on your next adventure, and I hope to see you again.
Hey James, congratulations and we hope to see you soon. You have so many great pictures here, okay? Thank you, bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi James, how are you? Oh, yeah, congratulations on your graduation day. I hope I could attend, but it's okay, James. I miss you so much, and James, I love you, and I always pray for you. Congratulations again. Okay.
Hello, James. I wish to greet you congratulations because it's I don't know when will your graduation be. I mean the ceremonies, but what I know is you are ending up the school year of your high school. No. Grade 6, 7. I don't know how your school year did. But then, it's a good day because it's a first day of June. And I suppose it's already the end of your school days. You'll be entering college already, right? Okay, I wish you good luck, God bless, and always remember that your parents, and I'm one of them, always praying for you, for your success in your studies. Okay? Congratulations again.